If you ever wondered what makes certain women effortlessly magnetic, what gives them the power to influence any situation, it is the art of seduction. I'm Malia Rosa, and before I became a certified seduction and influence coach, I was trained in sexpionage. Yes, it's exactly what it sounds like. As an undercover agent in an elite Russian spy program, I learned how to decode men's deepest desires, how to command their attention, and how to turn feminine energy into your power. These secrets weren't supposed to leave Russia. They only meant only for select undercover agents. And they were exactly what saved my life when men were sent to kill me, when I fled to another country and became a refugee, and when I had absolutely nothing and needed to start all over with a newborn in my arm. For the first time, I'm opening up this hidden world to you. I'll teach you how to read people, reclaim your power, and become the woman everyone notices when she enters the room. You will finally understand how to draw love, respect, and success into your life without ever losing yourself in the process. Welcome to Live Like a Spy channel, where I teach you the secrets that spies are forbidden to share. Ready to transform? Let's go.